this video, we're going to look at how can we create a chart while we have repeated data in our spreadsheet. Let's say I'm dealing with sales data like this spreadsheet over here. I'm interested in creating a chart for the salesman and the sales value. The traditional way is to select the salesman and the sales value, insert a chart, and what you will see is that I have repetition of the same salesman in my spreadsheet, and this is not the right way to present the sales for every salesman in the department. I have to find another way where I can accumulate the sales for every single salesman I have in my department. And the best way to do this is using the following steps. Step number 1, we're going to select all our data. We're going to paste the data. Then, while the paste or the new data that we have copied over here, we go to data, remove duplicates. Pay attention to the column. In my case, it's column M, and this is column M. This is where all my data is presented, and this is where I want the duplicates to be removed in column M. Press OK. As you see, 20 duplicate values have been removed. Now I have 11 values that are unique values, which means 11 salesmen in the department. Now I want to create, so now I have here salesman, and I have here total sales. Step number 2, we need to create a function to add all the sales for every salesman in the department here. The function here equal SUMIF. We put the condition of the salesman that we have over here, comma. Then we need to meet the criteria, which is our unique values that we have here. Then what do you want to add? I want to add the sales value. In this case, this is how the formula looks like. SUMIF, where I have the criteria for the salesman, my sales condition, and the total sales. Enter. Then we drag to the remaining sales values. Now I have total sales for every salesman that I have in my sales data. I am ready to create a chart for every salesman in the department. Step number 3, insert the chart. Select data, insert, and then we have the chart. Now I can see that the data that we have here is the chart. You can add, as usual, adding axis titles, salesman, total sales. Now this is the chart that includes the total sales for every salesperson in the department. This is how we create a sales chart or a unique chart for a repeated data in our spreadsheet. This is Tech Skills channel.